now give us what? How much was even paid for this thing? It's not up to 50K.
Which one?
For the camp.
So
she got the camp is just like 4 million.
Let me analyze something for you. Let me Oh, wait. Wait first now. Where are we going to again? You are just doing like this.
No, I swear.
You are just doing like this. You are now swearing in the front of my children.
Sorry. Swear, it's not good to swear.
Okay.
No, but like she stays here. She stays in this.
Is she the one I stay with?
Yeah.
Is she coming tomorrow? Are you coming tomorrow to worship God with us?
Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Igbo Kwenu. Have you heard of the Igbo Summer Camp organized by Bakbando Language Hub for children between ages 9 and 15? Ogadikbogbo. Guest Minister Frank Edwards. Guest Artist Ugochi. Activities, Igbo language classes and others. Venue, Victoria Garden City, Lekki, Lagos. Host, Nwunye Mazi.
Ndewonu onye ọbụla ọ bụ mụ bụ Nwunye Mazi onye nwe ụlọ akwụkwọ nke a na-akpọ Bakbando Language Hub. Ebe a ka anyị na-enwe nzukọ summer camp anyị. Soronụ m ka ngosi unu ka ọ dị n'ime. Ebe a bụ ọnụ ụlọ. Soronụ m. Ebe a bụ ebe oriri. Bụ usekwu nri esiri ebe a na-atọ gwogwo. Ebe a bụ osi ite bekee. Nke a bụ ebe a na-asa efere. Ebe a bụ nju oyi. Soronụ m 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F G W I Ebe a bụ mkpụrụ enyo, akwa mgbochi, oche, akwa, nju oyi, onyonyo, ụlọ mposi, ebe a na-asa ahụ. Unu hụkwara ihe niile m gosiri unu. Ngwa gbaa n'ọsọ ngwa ngwa kpọtara ụmụ unu na Bakbando Language Hub Summer Igbo Camp nke na-eme na VGC n'ime Lekki ugbu a. Daalụ.
Paris wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Igbo Kwenu. Have you heard of the Igbo Summer Camp organized by Bakbando Language Hub for children between ages 9 and 15? Ogadi Bogbo. Guest Minister Frank Edwards. Guest Artist Ugochi. Activities, Igbo language classes and others. Venue, Victoria Garden City, Lekki, Lagos. Host, Nwunye Mazi.
Ndewonu onye ọbụla ọ bụ Nwunye Mazi onye nwe ụlọ akwụkwọ nke a na-akpọ Bakbando Language Hub. Ebe a ka anyị na-enwe nzukọ summer camp anyị. Soro m ka ngosi unu ka ọ dị n'ime. Ebe a bụ ọnụ ụlọ. Soro m. Ebe a bụ ebe oriri. Bụ usekwu nri esiri ebe a na-atọ gwogwo. Ebe a bụ osi ite bekee. Nke a bụ ebe a na-asa efere. Ebe a bụ nju oyi. Soro m. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A B C D E F G W H I I. Ebe a bụ mkpụrụ. Enyo, akwa mgbochi, oche, akwa, nju oyi, onyonyo, ụlọ mposi, ebe a na-asa ahụ. Unu hụkwara ihe niile m gosiri unu. Ngwa gbaa n'ọsọ ngwa ngwa kpọtara na ụmụ unu na Bakbando Language Hub Summer Igbo Camp nke na-eme na VGC n'ime Lekki ugbu a. Daalụ.
Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Igbo Kwenu. Have you heard of the Igbo summer camp organized by Bakbando Language Hub for children between ages 9 and 15? Ogadikbogbo. Guest Minister Frank Edwards. Guest Artist Ugochi. Activities, Igbo language classes, and others. Venue, Victoria Garden City, Lekki, Lagos. Host, Nwunye Mazi.
Ndewonu onye ọbụla, ọ bụ mụ bụ Nwunye Mazi, onye nwe ụlọ akwụkwọ nke a na-akpọ Bakbando Language Hub. Ebe a ka anyị na-enwe nzukọ summer camp anyị. Soronụ m ka ngosi unu ka ọ dị n'ime. Ebe a bụ ọnụ ụlọ. Soronụ m. Ebe a bụ ebe oriri. Ebe a bụ usekwu. Nri esiri ebe a na-atọ gwogwo. Ebe a bụ osi ite bekee. Nke a bụ ebe a na-asa efere. Ebe a bụ nju oyi. Soronụ m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, I. Ebe a bụ mkpụrụ. Enyo. Akwa mgbochi. Oche. Akwa. Nju oyi. Onyonyo. Ụlọ mposi. Ebe a na-asa ahụ. ihe niile m gosiri unu. Ngwa gbaa n'ọsọ ngwa ngwa kpọtara m ụmụ unu na Kpakpando Language Hub Summer Igbo Camp nke na-eme na VGC n'ime Lekki ugbu a. Daalụ.
Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears.
It might not, no, it's the ing is just an aspect or a form of conjugation of the verb. You're going to say here right now.
Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans.
It's called Mutasusu Igbo Ngwangwa. Over my years of teaching Igbo language, I had to think out a way of which people can actually learn the Igbo language without so much struggles. Okay? So I just realized that the in-depth knowledge of the usability of the Igbo language lies so much. Verb conjugations, how to convert the verbs into various forms, like cooking, cooked, will cook, did not cook, cannot cook. You know what I mean? Can you hear me? Don't be distracted, okay? Anaya, be on road, else I will spank you. Bieba, Bieba, be on road. Bieba. Iboria, did you call her? Come and sit down here and let me boss you so. Mr. Diola, biko banyo besi. Okay, so Mutasusu Igbo Ngwangwa is what we are going to be using from today in learning the Igbo language. And for those who are looking at us online, Akwụkwọ nke amaka. If you are from 9 years, even 8 years above, you can use this book. We have a 7-year-old here, and I know she's going to be able to. A 7 years old here, and I know she's going to be able to use this book as well because we've made it so simplified. We've conjugated all the verbs so that you can just use it at one touch. All right? So this is the first time we are going to be using Mutasusu Igbo Gene Ngwangwa. Mutasusu Igbo means learn the Igbo language. Ngwangwa means quickly. Okay? So can you say Mutasusu Igbo Ngwangwa? Bia were ekwentị ma nye ha ka ha jiri ya na-arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ because ha kwesịrị iji ya na-ezipụ ozi. Class have started. Let our students online also follow up. Let them send the link. Nye ya bumi or nye ya nne anaya. Let them do what they have to do. So anyị ga-ebido na nsape nke mbụ. So if you look at the beginning, we've taken our time to do various definitions just in case you don't understand each aspect of the conjugations and each aspect of the conjugation. And then look at the book very well. In page 9, you are going to see that we have taken our time to write out verbs in the English words. You realize that we've taken out time. Oh, mama. Go that way. So, I'll say, Yeah. Kama emecha anapokwa. Okay. You're going to be writing. So you realize that we took out time to get English words. Did you see the English words there? The verbs. Osim yop, don't say yop to Nwunye Mazi. Say Nwunye Mazi. Okay? So we have different Igbo words there. Sorry, different verbs written in English, and then we took out time to write it in what? Igbo and the various forms. Okay? So now we are going to be picking some verbs we are going to be using in today's class. You're going to be picking, just don't look at the book, the paper. You just pick any verb, and just call any verb. Ngwa Precious Genyani in Allah Holland. Right, Ngwanyani, one word. Verb. Verb, just any verb. Just call the English word and then we'll go and look for it. Call any, yes, call any. We'll go and look for it in the book. I want to teach you how to use. I'm an apuga kukwa. If you it didn't match the desire. Mechie.
Jump.
She said jump. Let's look for the word jump. Everybody go to J. Go to J. Flip through the pages and go to J. Just be going now. It's been arranged in alphabetical orders. Have you seen J? So look for jump. Yes, so what is there? Yes, it's the same thing. Jump up, yes. Wulielu. You see that? Everybody, what is jump up? I don't like the way people are saying it. Durum. What is jump or jump up? Wulielu. Good. Wachisom, give us any. You don't need to look at the paper. Just give us any verb.
Swim. Swim.
Chisom said swim. Everybody, let's go to S. Let's go to S. She said swim. Have you seen the swim? Guinea swim. Guo, say guo, not guo. Guo miri. Can we say it again? Guo miri, very good. Do you see how simple it is? So swim is what? Guo miri. Let me just write only the English. Give us more.
Talk.
Well, let's go to where we can find T. Again, what is talk? You see, are you enjoying the book? We've done a lot of work. It's arranged alphabetically. So talk is Guinea. Kwoku. Because have you sent out link? Link. You need the link. Yeah, link. Kwoku. Obiajulo. Kwoku. So, yes, Ikenna, one verb. I need the other microphone to be here because any verb, kwoku, say something.
Eat.
Eat. Everybody, go to where you have E. The mic. Guinea will eat. If you are not getting it, I will collect the book from you. So, if you are not getting it, I will collect the book from you. Better be opening it well. You are my never. So eat, Bugini.
Cook.
Cook. Go to S. Look for cook. C. Oh, look for C. What is cook? Give him cook.
Cover.
Cover. Go and look for cover. Have you seen it?
Yes.
So cook is what? Sie. Cover is what?
Kuchie.
Kuchie. Okay. Don't rumple that taboo. Eh?
Run.
He said run. Let's go and look for the word run. Run. You will enjoy. With this book, you will mutasisu Igbo ngwangwa. Indeed. What is run? Everybody, run. Joya, idi machi hulaya. Gini bu run. Run bu ba also. Okay. The next person, Sammy. Okay, ngwa. Ihuoma.
Look.
Look. Ngwa, everybody go and look for look. Go to L. Cho look. Look. There is look. There is look. If there is no look, go and look for watch. Because it's the same thing. Look at the look. There is look. There is look. I OPQ. I'm coming. Man, Mary, now. Hold on, let me look for look.
Okay. And in the front part, there's no look. But in the back part, there's no look. Because in the front part,
That's in the volume 2.
yeah, in the volume 1, there's no look. Then volume 2, there's no look. I think that there's a printing problem. Because look is there. As the other.
So how I made the mistake? So we have look there. And what is look? What is look? Look, Bugini. Le. Okay. So, who is giving us the next? So, look, Bugene. Look, Bule. Idemachi.
Take.
Take. She said take. Let's go and look for take. See how you're flipping through the page. If you tear it, if you come to the next camp, it's still what we'll use. You buy another one. She said take. Where? Next person. Just call one verb, one action word.
Open.
Open. She said open. 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 So gini be open. Mepe. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to do more words. Do you understand how to use it now? Can you see? That's the first part of it. So now, go and look for go. Go. Go bugini. Ga. Go and look for sleep. You have to write. So get your notes, everybody. It's now time to write. Sleep. Sleep is there. There is sleep. Maybe you go and check the volume. Look for S on the other side. So if there is no sleep, sleep is raho, ora. Raho, bracket, ora. Are we there? Okay, now get your notes. Let's write down these words. Right? The first one we said jump, wulielu. Write it down. Jump, wulielu. Jump, wulielu. Yes. Onye nkuzi is writing it on the board. Jump, wulielu. Look at the board. Who? Chisum ke pen. Kini called the road finish. We didn't give you pen. Onye nkuzi bịa nye ụmụaka pen. Biko. Anyị na-eche ka ha dere ha pen maka na ha ga-ederịrị ihe, they have to write. Edechalam, don't say I'm done. Edechalam. So, onye nkuzi ngwa ngwa ngwa, anyị na-aga aga. So after jump, it was swim. Gwuo mmiri. Make sure you're writing. Swim, gwuo mmiri. Verb conjugations. Eat, rie. Or somebody said talk, kwoku. Kwoku comes before eat, rie. Kwoku. So we have eat, rie, cook, sie. Cook, sie, cover, kuchie. Some will say kuchie, fine. Kuchie, anaya kusi. Run, gba ọsọ. Run, gba ọsọ. Look, le. Look, le. Take, were. And then open, mepe. Go, ga. Sleep, rahura. Sweep, za. Wash, sa. So the same word for wash is the same word for mop. So today we are going to look at the past form of verbs. Past form of verbs. Past. This one we just did now is the present. So we are going to be looking at the past and how to use them. Past forms of verbs. Past verbs. And how to use them. So what is the first verb we have there? Jump, wulielu. Everybody go to jump. How do you say jumped? Jumped. P verbs is past verbs. Past verbs is PST verbs. So the PST verbs, what is jumped? Again? Look at the PST, under the PST verb, that's past. Wuliri elu. Say it. Wuliri elu. Hey, you are not saying it. Hello, baby. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for your cooperation. It didn't match. Are you picking? Are you seeing the words? You can just be looking at the board. So how would you say I jumped? I jumped. What is I? It's going to be a. Don't say wulie. Look at your paper now. Look at your text rather. For PST verbs, what is there? What is there, Sammy? Wulielu is jump. Look at the next line is PST verbs. What is under PST verbs? Good. Say wuliri elu. Again. Wuliri elu. How would you say I jumped? Now, when you want to say I has this man that's a stalker and it's an M. Anywhere I is, anywhere I is, M will go and hide behind the word beside I. So if you say I jumped, M will go and hide after jumped. So it will get attached to that verb. As long as you're talking about what pronoun? I in the first place. So if you look at that wuliri, you will realize that elu is separate. Did you notice it? Elu is what? Separate. Now when you want to, you see that we did not touch the elu. We changed the wulie and we did wuliri. It is beside wuliri that the M will go and hide and be stalking what pronoun? And be stalking what pronoun? I. ebe ọbụna anyị nọ, ebe ọbụna anyị gara, that M a na-eme gịnị? A na-eso ya, na-eso ya, na-eso ya, na-eso ya. Anywhere you go, aga m na-eso gị. Anywhere, it's always with I. If the I is A or E, that M must talk it. And it will not come beside I and stand though. It will go and stand beside the word that is beside what? Yes, it goes behind the word beside I to hide. Like it doesn't want I to do what? To see it. Do you understand? So how would you say I jumped now? Good job. How would you say I jumped? Awulirim elu ngwadetuo ya. I jumped. I jumped. Awulirim elu. I jumped. Awuliri m elu. Zuruma, you fine? Chisom, do you understand it? I swam. The past tense of swim. I swam. Guru. Guru. Let me see. Let me see. Good. You are not touching the miri. Just the way you did not touch the what? Elu. So how would you say I swam? It's not going to be a. It's going to be e. Egurum miri. I'm going to write it. How would you say I swam yesterday? Onya, good. Egurum miri. Preciously, egurum miri echi garaga. It's not nechi. It's echi garaga. Egurum, the senior ones you can make your own. Egurum miri. Onya. Egurum miri echi garaga. My babies, just write I swam. Egurum miri. Okay, so kuoku. How would you say I talked? I talked. What is it again there? Yes, yesterday is echi garaga. It's in your notes now. Onye Nkuzi taught you time this morning. She taught you time because of this lesson. So
What did you say children should write?
just focus on what you should write. I swam yesterday. Egurum mmiri echi garaga. Write it down. Have you written it down? Egurum mmiri echi garaga. Ana ya nto gembo na asum na to gembo. One road. When you are done writing, don't forget to say Edechalam Biko. So, I talked. I talked. How would you say that? Wait now.
Eku olo. Ekolauku.
No, where are you? Let me see where you are. Where is the talk? Oku, kuru, oku. So this is where we are. This is past. PST verbs. Past verbs. That's where we are. So you're looking at the third line. Okay. Anything I call, just look at the third line. So what is it?
Kuroku.
Again.
Kuroku.
Kuroku. So how would you say I talked? Go on.
Ikuroku.
Where will you put the M? You put the M beside kuru. Put M beside kuru and make your sentence. I talked.
Ekurumoku.
Good job. Say it again.
Ekurumoku.
Ekurumoku. I talked. So how would you say I talked at school? I talked at school. For my big ones, babies, write ekurumoku. I talked. You, how would you say I talked at school? Yes. Yeah, Mike. Where?
Ekurumoku na.
Look at your notes now. We did places today. Good job. Ekwurumoku na ụlọ akwụkwọ. Unu na-aghọtakwa asụsụ Igbo anyị na-asụ. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Good. So the next one is I ate food.
Kimonos, all sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears.
Yeah.
Erin.
My food. What is food?
Erin.
What is my food?
Erin.
So how do you say I ate my food? Eririm, say it. Eririm. Good job, baby. So eririm, I ate my food. Eririm. Ikenna, you said you want to be speaking this Igbo very well. Are you writing? If you are not writing, you will not speak very well. So that when you get home, when your mommy comes back, you say, no, eririm. Have we not started? Zoom? Sam? Idimma?
Have you told that one on the board there, is it for us and eat for us?
Us no again.
You said that.
I did not say anybody should write. I gave one now. I ate my food is for everybody. So the next one is kuchie. How do you say I covered? I covered. Oh, sorry. Let's do CA first. So I cooked food. I cooked food. Idimachi, are you looking through the text? What is cooked? I cooked. You're looking at PST. Siri. Say it that way. So how do you say I cooked? Again?
Siri.
You have to put the M after Siri.
Siri.
Good. Siri. So how would you say I cooked food? Food. I cooked food.
Siri. Nri.
Good job. Siri nri. Ụmụaka kpakpando language hub. Ụmụaka chake. Kpakpando bụ ebe nwatakịrị 7 years na-asụ Igbo. Just like that. Kọrọ n'onwe n'aka. So esiri m nri. Ngwa detuo ya. I cooked food. But how would you say my mommy cooked food? My mommy, Idimachi. How would you say my mom? Okay. Again.
Name Siri.
Name Sirini. Good job. She spoke her own dialect. Instead of saying Nri, she said Nni, and she's correct. Koroniaka. Good. You can also write my mother cooked food. That's also fine if you want to write it. But I cooked food is okay. So you realize that when you say my mother cooked, you did not put the M because the M does not stalk any other pronoun. Except what? Except what? Only when you say I, the M will just run and start coming. Anywhere you stay and you just say I in Igbo, M will just start running. Where is that I? Where is that I? Where is that? And it will go and hide where? Yes, it will go and hide behind the word after I. Good job. Jisike. But the next one is kuchie. How would you kuchie? How would you say covered? What? Look at it again. Kuchiri. Good. Kuchiri. So how would you say I covered it? It's going to be A. The I is going to be. Don't forget the M stalker. Say it.
Kuchiri.
What is it? Look at your note for it. Look at your note. No. Your note. Look for it. Allow her to do it.
Cover.
Bumi? Sorry. Ekuchiri m ya. Good job. Okay. So, sorry, where are we? Ekuchirim. I covered it. Ekuchirim, yeah. How would you say, mommy? Mommy, I covered it. Like, mommy was like, you did, why didn't you cover this spot? How do you say, mommy, I covered it? Name, say it confidently. Good. That's it. Is Igbo language difficult? Is this textbook helping you very well or not? Yes, now write it. You can write I covered it. You can write mommy I covered it. Chineke mwa medela. Ihoma, you have written your name on your own, okay? Ka akụkọ ghara ịbata na this matter now. Ihoma Chukwu obere nwa 7 years. Ay. Okay oh. Akwunu na ahụ ihe na-eme na Kpakpando language hub. Anyị anaghị eme ngaraba. We don't do wayo. Anyị anaghị eme ngarabada. Anyị na-ekwu eziokwu ka o si dị. Okay? Ngwa, the next one is run. Run, which is also. So how would you say I ran? I ran. I ran. No. I ran. Agbaramoso. Yes. I ran. How would you say I ran outside? What is outside? We've not done prepositions, right? Okay. We'll do that shortly. Yes. Nezi. Agbaramoso nezi. Ogini. I ran outside. You can just say I ran. Agbaramoso. So I looked at it. I looked at it. What do you think look will be? Look at how we have it. You now replicate the E, the vowel before the that. Yes.
Okay, because it's a different. The first how many tenses are
Nwunye Mazi, biko mamiri na akpana. Biko mamiri na akpana. Don't try me. Don't try me. Go and sit down. Go and sit down and learn Igbo as also. Can't care how much time is left. I bido. You came here to do Igbo. If you don't learn Igbo, you go home. You will not come. Whatever you are seeing now is just a shadow. Shadow of what? Don't try me. If I say don't try me, I'm serious. And you don't want to take your classes seriously. In fact, if your daddy even say, I want Ikenna to come, I will say, Daddy, no. You will be watching us from the YouTube. Ikenna, I want it that way. And take your classes seriously. If not, anybody that shows that, oh, I'm tired, bam, you are not joining us in the next Igbo summer camp or Igbo Christmas camp. So you better take your class seriously, right? So the next one is I took. It's not going to be I, it's going to be A. So come closer. I don't like the way you're far off. If that thing is not, it cannot to adjust for you. You are too far. How do you say I took it? Eweremia. I took it. Eweremia. Open.
Did you write I ran?
We have done it now. How do you say I opened? I opened. Open is what? What is opened? Opened alone. Mepere. Everybody say mepere. Mepere. How do you say I opened? Meperemia. I opened it. Meperemia. Okay. I went to Igbo summer camp. I went. Go is went now. Past tense of go. How would you say I went? How would you say I went? Don't forget the M. It's going to be A. I went to Igbo summer camp.
Agaram Igbo summer camp. Agaram Igbo summer camp. Agaram Igbo summer camp.
Agaram Igbo summer camp. Ngwa detuo ya. Agaram Igbo summer camp. I slept last night. What is last? What is night? Abali. So you yes, Nabali. Good job, Dubem. So how do you say I slept last night? No, look. The word for sleep is Rahu. Rahu. Again.
Rahura Nabal.
No. What is the past form of Rahu? Looking at how we converted others, what will Rahu be for the senior ones? No. Look at it's Rahu you will convert. What will you do to Rahu? Good. Rahuru. 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 All you just need to do that Rahu, as it is Rahu. Once the vowel is just one, just add an arrow at the end of the U and put another U. That's it. If the vowel letters at the end of the verb are two, you take away one and bring in what? You just bring in arrow and replicate that last word vowel. So simple. So Arahurum Urana Bali. I slept last night. Arahurum Urana Bali. Ikenna, what is it? Tell me, where are you lost? What is slept? Where did you stop? Where did you stop? Eh? You ran. After, look at Dubeim's note and complete it. Continue with us. Don't slag behind. Don't lag behind, brother. So, sweep. What is the past form of sweep, Zurum? Past form of sweep. Let's choose Zurum answer us. The Igbo form. What's the past? Go to your notes. Go to your text. Look for sleep. Look for the past form. Allow her. Look, just sleep. Not sleep. Sweep, sweep. Why? What? Get him a running sleep is not. Sweep is that. Sweep is that. So swept is what? Zara. Good. How do you say I swept?
Azaram.
How would you say I swept the house?
Ulo.
Again?
Azara ulom.
You have to put an M beside Zara.
Azaram ulo.
Azaram ulo.
I swept.
Azaram ulo. How would you say? Okay, finish. I know. I said finish this one. GCK. So we are taking the last for wash. I washed. How would you say I washed?
Asaram.
Asaram. How would you say I washed my clothes? My clothes.
Asaram akwam.
Good job. Asaram akwam. Okay, so at this point we are going to take a 15 minutes break and we come back. Are we? We are going to take a what? We are going to take a 15-minute break and we'll come back. So you are going to stretch your body. Hello. Ndị na-enyo anyị n'onyonyo anyị na-alaghachita jisi n'ike.
Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp.
Nwunye Mazi. So stay tuned. Don't go too far. In the next 15 minutes, I ga-alọghachita. Ka ọ dịnụ mgbe anyị lọghachitara. Daalụ.
Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Igbo Kwenu. Have you heard of the Igbo Summer Camp organized by Bakbando Language Hub for children between ages 9 and 15? Guest Minister Frank Edwards. Guest Artist Ugochi. Activities, Igbo language classes and others. Venue, Victoria Garden City, Lekki, Lagos. Host, Nwunye Mazi.
Ndewonu onye ọbụla, ọ bụ Nwunye Mazi, onye nwe ụlọ akwụkwọ nke a na-akpọ Bakbando Language Hub. Ebe a ka anyị na-enwe nzukọ summer camp anyị. Soronụ m ka ngosi unu ka ọ dị n'ime. Ebe a bụ ọnụ ụlọ. Soronụ m. Ebe a bụ ebe oriri. Bụ usekwu. Nri esiri ebe a na-atọ gwogwo. Ebe a bụ osi ite bekee. Nke a bụ ebe a na-asa efere. Ebe a bụ nju oyi. Soronụ m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, I. Ebe a bụ mkpụrụ. Enyo, akwa mgbochi, oche, akwa, nju oyi, onyonyo, ụlọ mposi, ebe a na-asa ahụ. Unu hụkwara ihe niile m gosiri unu. Ngwa gbaa n'ọsọ ngwa ngwa kpọtara m ụmụ unu na Bakbando Language Hub Summer Igbo Camp nke na-eme na VGC n'ime Lekki ugbu a. Daalụ.
onye nwe anyị nara ekele maka ụbọchị taa. Ya were ọnụ n'aha Jizọs. Ugbu a itinyekwa anyị n'ihe gbasakwara verb conjugations, and we are going to be doing intention verbs. There's something we call the intention verbs. Ndị na-ele anyị na onyonyo, anyị na-ekele unu niile. Anyị bidogo? Anyị na-ekele unu niile, all the people viewing us online. Ndewo nu jisi ike. So we are going to be doing what I call intention verbs. Okay, while we are trying to find our feet, this microphone will be passed round, and we are going to make one sentence each of the one we did in the previous class. Let's go.
Every remembering, I ate.
Say it confidently.
Every remembering, I ate my food. Abraham also I ran.
Asaram akwam.
Asaram akwam. Say it. Asaram akwam.
Asaram akwam.
I took it. Yeah.
I opened it.
I sweep the house. Azaramuno.
Asiriri, I cooked food.
Esirim nri.
Asiriri, I cooked food.
Do you know where he stopped? The one of I cooked food. Can you see it? He didn't match. Go see ebe esirim nri di na akwụkwọ ya. Ka ọ gụọ nke na-esote esirim nri. Is it in the previous page? We'll go the next one.
Nyam. Akuhimya.
What does that mean?
I covered the pot.
The pot, or I covered it? Which one?
I covered it.
Ekuchirim ya.
Ekuchi. Yeah.
Ekuchirim ya.
Ekuchi. Hiriya.
Ngwa ite machi.
Name. Ekuchi. Yeah.
Read the next one.
Abaramoso.
Again.
Abaramoso.
Elerem.
Elerem. I looked.
So now we are going to be looking at verbs to be. Verbs to guinea. Verbs to be. So what does verbs to be mean? What I call verbs to be are like saying to come, to go, to eat, to wash. And you are going to see it in column number 11. Count in the first, just count line 1, 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Any of them, it is in the column 11. Column 11, yes. Okay. Now, when you want to make that sentence, you say, I want. What is want? Everybody look for want. So, there are about conjugations of verbs to be. Want. Want. Want is choro. Want choro. So, if you will say I want, how would you say I want? Achorom. Are you getting me? We are going to still use those words we have used before. Okay? How would you say I want? Now, look at that column number 11. That column 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ganyo. Us not chore enyu mamiri. Igwe egwu ma pia gotali. Ganyo mamiri lo achiteba. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, itolu, iri. Iri na otu. So, it is E. That you will see E. So, have you seen that column? The I is separate from the other words. Please, when you're writing your notes, separate the I from the other words. Okay? That I is to. Okay, it means to. So you want to say to jump. How would you say to jump? Look for it. Again.
Iwulelu.
Iwuli elu. So how would you say I want to jump? Look for jump. Look for jump. Don't tell me I let her get it. Look for jump. Letter J. Letter J. So go to column 11. Count 11. 1, 2. What is to jump? Iwuli elu. So how would you say I want to jump? I want to jump.
Achọrọ m iwuli elu.
Say it confidently.
Achọrọ m iwuli elu.
Good. Achọrọ m iwuli elu. So write it down. I want to jump. Onye nkuzi dee ya na ihe. Achọrọ m iwuli elu. Ka ebe Miss Favor nọ taa. Mrs. Favor. Ọ mụ na gị kwesịrị ịnọ na klaasị taa. Ka ebe Mrs. Favor nọ. Ka onye nọ ebe ahụ. Akwa m kwuo na ha si na m nọ live. Okay. Bịakwa na m nọ live. Life azọla gị now. Okay, onye nkuzi biko nye ya ihe ka ọ na-ede, ọ mụ na ya ga-arụ ọrụ taa. Okay. So achọrọ m iwuli elu. I want to jump. The next one is I want to swim. Who is Ngwa? I want to swim. You have to look for swim now. Just swim. Go to your textbook and look for to swim. In column 11. To swim.
Igwu mmiri.
Say it confidently.
Igwu mmiri.
Igwu mmiri. Koya.
Igwu mmiri. Igwu mmiri.
So how would you say I want to swim?
Achọrọ igwu mmiri.
You have to add the M because you said I.
Achọrọ m igwu mmiri.
Kebe microphone no.
Achọrọ m igwu mmiri.
Good. Achọrọ m igwu mmiri. I want to swim. So, Zurum, how would you say I want to talk? Look for, on your text, look for to talk. Ikenna, start looking for to eat. Let's know how it's going. Dubem, start looking for to cook. Look for to talk. How would you say to talk? To talk first. Good job, darling. Say it confidently. Good. So how would you say I want to talk? Good. Say it confidently. Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ele anya, ị maghị akwụkwọ anyị ji na-amụnya bụ asụsụ Igbo taa. Anyị ji mụta asụsụ Igbo ngwa ngwa na-amụta ya bụ Igbo. We are learning with this textbook written by me, Nwunye Mazi, called Mụta Asụsụ Igbo ngwa ngwa. Okay? So it's a book that has been well conjugated. The verbs have been selected and conjugated for easy use by anybody who wants to learn the Igbo language without stress. So Mụta Asụsụ Igbo ngwa ngwa. I want to talk, and Zurum said, Achọrọ m ikwu okwu. Okay. Ikenna, how do you say to eat? Have you looked through your text?
Yes.
Go to column 11.
Yes.
Okay.
Area.
Show him where the word is. What he's not looking at the right place. That is verbs to be. Point it for him. Oh. To eat. Just say the word you're looking at in the text.
Iri.
Iri, and what is food? To eat food. What is food? Food is not there. What is food called? Food is not in the book. Ikenna, food is not inside that book. What is food? Who knows what food is? Nri. So how do you say I want to eat food?
Acharam iri. Acharam iri.
Then call food Nri.
That's what I said.
You said achorom iri. Then you say achorom iri nri. Ngwa.
Acharam iri iri.
Good. Achorom iri nri. So how would you say I want to eat my food? What is my food? Allow him. No. In English you say my food. In Igbo you say what?
Food, my.
Good. So what is my food in Igbo? Nrim. So how would you say I want to eat my food?
Acharam.
Say it again.
Acharam iri.
Achorom iri. Iri is what you looked at in the book now. Where is iri? Point at it. Chizu, Ngwa. I want is achorom iri to eat, and then my food. Nrim. Ngwa, say it.
Acharam iri iri.
Good job. Achorom iri nrim. The next one is cook. So how would you say to cook? Easy. Good. So how would you say I want to cook? Food. Good job. Achorom isi nri. Onye ọbụla dewe. Make sure the E and the C are separate. They are not one word, okay? Okay. Yes. Yours is kuchie. Have you opened your textbook to find the conjugated form, the verb to be conjugated form of kuchie? Go to kuchie also. Are we here to joke? You have the textbook and you are. What are you chewing? Okay. So go to the yes. Column 11. Good. Ikuchi. So how would you say I want to cover? Good. How would you say I want to cover it? Achorom ikuchi. Ikuchi ya. Good job. So the next person, yours is I want to run. Have you seen to run? What is to run?
Iba also.
Good. Iba also. So how would you say I want to run?
Achorom Iba also.
Good job, baby. Jisike. Achorom Iba also. Detuoya. The next one, Idimachi. You are doing look. Look. Okay, so look is le. Look at your notes for it. Look is le. So it's going to be ile. It's not in the text. Ile. So how would you say I want to look? Put the mic in your mouth.
Achọrọ m ile.
How would you say I want to look at it?
Achọrọ m ile ya.
Good. Achọrọ m ile ya, jisie ike. Ngwa. Amarachi. Your own is take. Yours is going to be iwere. So how would you say I want to take it?
Achọrọ m iwere.
Eat. What is eat? Eat is what? Go to the pronouns we did yesterday and look for it. Ngwangwa, be fast. Eat. Eat bụ gịnị? Ọ bụrụ nke anwa. Nke lee ya ebe a, nke a. So I want to take it to be what?
Achọrọ m ya.
I were ya.
Achọrọ m iwere ya.
Okay, wete. Keki ga-esi kwuo, I want to open it. Onye dịka, I want to open it.
Achọrọ m imeghe ya.
Achọrọ m imeghe ya. You can say achọrọ m imepe ya. Okay? Achọrọ m imepe ya. Achọrọ m iwere ya. The next one, I want to sleep. Achọrọ m ịrahụ ụra. Good job, girl. Then I want to sweep. Achọrọ m ịza. How would you say I want to sweep the house? Say it confidently. Achọrọ m ịza ụlọ. How would you say I want to wash my clothes?
Achọrọ m ịsa akwa m.
Good. Say it confidently.
Achọrọ m ịsa akwa m.
Achọrọ m ịsa akwa m. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Okay. So apart from all these ones we have done, apart from all these ones we have just said, what are some things you would like to say you want to do? I want to read my book. I want to what? I want to go to the market. Take your microphone.
If want is choro, then what is wanted?
Choro, just like where.
Okay.
Have we not done go, Ga? So how do you say I want to go? I want to go. Yes, to. I want to go.
Achọrọ m ịga.
Achọrọ m ịga. How do you say I want to go to the market?
Achọrọ m ịga ahịa.
Good job. Achọrọ m ịga ahịa. Jisie ike. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Akwụkwọ anyị ji eme ihe mmụta bụ mmụta asụsụ Igbo ngwa ngwa. It was written by me. It's a textbook from my years of experience in teaching Igbo language. Well conjugated. We have over 300 verbs conjugated in this book. Alphabetically arranged, written in English, and then the conjugation started in Igbo from the present verbs, from the present form. Ngwa, we are going to go to another one now. Past forms of verb. Have we done past? We have done past. Okay. We are going to do Present continuous. Wait, I'm coming. Let's pick another verb. Let's try and working with another verb. What do you think? Let's do another one. Let's do come. Which other one is common but we did not pick? Which other verb is common but we did not pick it already? Sit. Which other one? Speak. Speak is the same thing we talk. Cry. Eh? You singing it? What did you say? Chineke Bwarana. Eh? Something we do every day. Do you shout? Stand. Okay. Pray. Drink. Almost everybody have staircases in their house, so climb. What? Switch on. Switch on. Switch off. Arrange. Tell. To tell someone. To bathe is same as wash. Okay, so we have 10. Jesse na ede here. Chineke me 11 one ede here on the textbook ah. Oka kwamma. Can't kill me, Sibu. Dege. So I will come, sit, stand, pray. Pray. Number 4, 5. Nke isi abolo drink. Nke isi climb. Nke asa switch off. Switch on. Nke asato switch off. Nke itoolu arrange. Nke iri aburu tell.
Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp.
That one you saw past part verbs, past participle verbs. It's in column number 4. Came, but let's do past participle. We'll do present continuous. We will do all. Don't worry. We are here. So that one is like saying have come, have eaten. Are you getting me? Have taken, have seen. Are you getting me? So how do you say I have come? Remember the M stalker. Again.
Abialam.
Say it confidently.
Abialam.
Good. Abialam. How would you say, Mommy, I have come?
Name Abialam.
Good. Name Abialam. I have come. Abialam. Okay. So, sit is what? Norodu. So how would you say I have sat? Look at it. It's in the column number 4. I have sat. Let me see. Yes, now. So the order is different. The order is different. Okay, so there's a space between the norola and order. So M will come between the A and the order. Okay, so what is it going to be?
Anolam odu.
Good. Say it again.
Anolam odu.
Anorola modu. Let me see. Anola modu. So what is sit first? What is sit? Write anorola modu. Write that. Anorola modu. Anorolam odu. This one you don't remove any vowel. So the way the vowel is, just like bia, abialam, norodu, anoro, you just add LA. You either put A or E at the beginning, at the end you write LA. So anorolam odu. Okay? What is stand up? Eh? So how would you say I have stood? Eh? Zuru. Go on. You want to look at your text?
Akurulam oto.
Say akurulam oto.
Akurulam oto.
Good. Akurulam oto. So how would you say I have prayed? Look for pray now. Anybody that finds it should answer. I'm coming. Pray. Pray is be ekpere. Be ekpere. KPE. Be. Means favor there. Be ekpere na board. So look at it. So it's going to be. Just add LA to the be. What's going to be? Bella. Bella.
Ekpelam.
Ekpere.
Ekpere.
Ekpelam. Ekpere.
Ekpelam. Ekpere. Ekpere.
So drink. How would you say I have drank water? Nye ya dubem. Nye ya akachuku. Akachuku. I have drank water.
Aṅụọla m mmiri.
Good. Aṅụọla m mmiri. Yes. The next one, I have climbed. Let's say I have climbed up. Up is elu. Climb. I have climbed up. Allow him. A. The E is pronounced as A. The microphone.
Irigolam elu.
Again.
Irigolam elu.
Good. Erigolam elu. We are looking at column number what? Column number what? 4. So it's also correct. So the next one is switch on. I have switched on.
Agbanyela m.
Good. How would you say I have switched on the light? Light is ọkụ.
Agbanyela m ọkụ.
Good. Agbanyela m ọkụ. It's on the board. So how do you say I have switched off? Nye ya Sammy. Achom ka tawagiri ki na takwa. When I ask you what you're chewing, tell me you're chewing nothing.
Switched off.
So how do you say switched off in Igbo? Are you looking at your text? Okay. Why not? Go to look for switch off. Switch on, is it not in your text? Look for it now. That's why the textbook is there. Look for it. So when you go home, you can use it. Look for switched off, Sammy. Go to S. Mimi, Tinyanya, Chorea switched off. Switched off. Where microphone go ya?
Agbanyola.
Agbanyolam.
Agbanyolam.
What is light bulb? Oku.
Oku.
So how do you say I've switched off the light bulb?
Abanyolam oku.
Good. Agbanyolam oku. The next one, arrange. Have you seen arrange?
Yes.
So what is have arranged? Look at column 4.
Haziela.
Haziela, say it.
Hazilia.
So how would you say I have arranged? I is say ah and then say the haziela?
Ahazila.
Because you're saying ah, you have to put an M at the end. So it's ahazielam.
Ahazilam.
So how would you say I have arranged my books? What is book?
Iwe.
Akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. Mommy say akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ.
Akuko.
Akwụkwọ m.
Akuko.
Ahaziela m akwụkwọ m.
Ahazilam akuko.
Jisie ike. Ngwa ịdị mma chi.
Guapuru.
Tell. Gwa. So how would you say have told? Where is tell? So go to column number 4. Here. So what is it?
Aguapuru.
It's here now. This one, number 4, column 4.
Agwalam.
Good, Akwalam. So how would you say I have told my mommy?
Agwalam name.
You did not put the M because you're talking about I.
Agwalam name.
Good. Agwalam name. Agwalam name. How many did we do now? Have we what was the first one we did? No. What conjugation did we do first? What form of conjugation did we do first? No. 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 This session, not the first session. In this session, we have done 2 conjugations. What's the first one we did? Yes, conjugations of verb to be. And now we did what? Which one? Conjugations of past participle. Conjugations of verb to past participle. Koronowu n'aka. I gaga zoike ugwa. What do you think? We're going on a break. We come back again. So let's take a 1 hour break. What do you think? 1 hour. Ngwa. Sounds good, right? Yeah. Gịnị ka unu ga-agwa nwunye Mazi? Si na nwunye Mazi daalụ. Ngwa onye ọbụla dozie akwụkwọ ya, onye ọbụla dozie akwụkwọ ya edozi. Achọghịkwa m ogologo akụkọ. Nwunye Mazi, I can't find my textbook. Ọ bụkwa maka m. Ndewonu ndị na-ele anyị na onyonyo. I'm saying something okwunufu I'm talking to people online. Ndewonu ndị na-ele anyị na onyonyo. Biko anyị nwere obere ezumike ka anyị zuke n'ike for the next 1 hour. Emechakwa anyị na-achịta ka ụmụaka zuo ike n'ihe anyị na-eme bụkwa nnukwute brain work ọrụ ụbụrụ ka anyị na-alụ ebe a. Ka ọ dịnụ in the next 1 hour thereabouts. Daalụ.